Today we are installing the spare tire brake light on a Jeep JL Wrangler. I'm going to show you how to do it with the light kit from Suparee. But there's a catch, guys, and you'll know this if you're a big follower of the channel. I already have one of these lights on my Jeep, so why in the world did I take it? Well, I'm going to give this one away to you. All you got to do is follow 1870 Off-Road. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. That's where we're at. And I will give you the details later of how you can win this. But you got to be following me to find out. 1870 Off-Road. Here we go. You know, for whatever reason, YouTube loves unboxing videos. It baffles me. I mean, why would you want to watch somebody else open their Christmas presents on Christmas morning? Makes no sense. But hey, we're unboxing. Here it is. Comes with a sticker, comes with directions, protective plate, and then there's the actual light right there. First step is to remove your wheel. Here I am talking about I want to go 37s. So comparing this style with the style I had installed, I mean, it's a slightly larger diameter. So it'd be good for you guys who have bigger wheels like I do. Two big ones go in the base here, and the rest of these up here are all little ones. This plugs into your spare tire light right there. Plugs, and I have verified that the plugs look the same as a JL. We are going to test plug them in. Let's see how this one looks when I hit the brake pedal. Alright, that's put back together. So now, you close the tailgate up, throw your spare tire back on, and you're done. So as you can see there, it's just a little bit better light. I have the old style. The new style is just improved. That's all there is to it. It's a better light. They've stepped the quality up a little bit and made things better. So we're gonna uninstall this, and then I'll tell you about what's going on. When I go to install, I installed one of these a year ago. So Suparee has given me some lights in the past. We've already worked together, and I already have this light. I mean, I have the older version, but I have one. I don't need a new one. I originally actually turned them down. Well, that's ruined now. I originally turned them down when they offered to give this to me, but something happened. There is an event coming up called Race Wars. No, I'm just kidding. Not Race Wars. We have an event coming up in September. We're not 100% confirmed this event's going to happen yet, but if this event happens, somebody at that event is going to win this light. So in the meantime, I'm going to hold on to this till I hear about that. So if you follow 1870 Off-Road, we're giving this light away. You're going to have to come to the event, which I can't tell you what it is yet, because Suparee wants this video made, and I don't have the event confirmed yet. So if the event I'm thinking of does not happen, it'll be here in Georgia, by the way. If that event doesn't happen, then about a week or two before that, there's another event. I'll probably give it away there, or I'll have a trail ride and I'll give it away on the trail ride. One way or the other, I'm going to give this away to somebody who follows 1870 Off-Road. That's all you got to do. And then come to the event. Like I said, it's not going to be a mail-in thing. None of that. You're going to have to actually see me in person, and you're not coming to my house. You'll have to meet me out on the trail or out at an event. And I don't do a lot of events, by the way. I don't do that many car shows. What I do is mostly trail rides. So to meet me at a car show, I'll have to let you know what car shows I'm going to. So I will publish on my Instagram and on my Facebook what car shows I'm going to. It'd be the 1870 Off-Road Facebook. And once you see that video, you'll know where the event is. I'll kind of let it be known that I'm giving this item away at that said event. I'm waiting on some confirmation to see. I got a couple ideas. We're waiting on something to get confirmed. All that while I was packaging this back up. So this could be yours if you follow 1870 Off-Road.